From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of dealing with a faulty bed remote control? Well, I've got the solution for you, the new bed remote control replacement fit for Mattress Firm 300 ENSO adjustable bed from WDZP. This product has been a game changer for me and I'm excited to. One of the best things about this remote is how easy it is to set up. You simply add two AAA batteries, unplug the base, wait a few minutes, and then plug it back in, and you're good to go. The remote pairs seamlessly with the base, and you'll know it's working when the backlight flashes once, giving you a sense of satisfaction with a soft click. The WDZP new bed remote control replacement is also compatible with king-size beds, making it a great option for those who want to upgrade their sleeping experience. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its ease of use and functionality, which is a testament to its quality. I've found that the remote control is very intuitive, with a smooth texture that fits comfortably in my hand, and the buttons have a soft press feel to them, making it easy to navigate through the different settings. The lifetime warranty offered by WDZP is also a major plus, giving you peace of mind and protection against any defects or issues. In real life, this means you can enjoy a restful night's sleep without worrying about your remote control failing you. For instance, I've used this remote to adjust my bed to the perfect position for reading, and it's been a total lifesaver. The sound of the bed gently moving into place is soothing, and the result is a comfortable and cozy atmosphere that's perfect for unwinding. Overall, I highly recommend the new bed remote control replacement fit for Mattress Firm 300 ENSO adjustable bed from WDZP. It's a great product that's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a reliable, and as always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.